Okay, let me familiarize you with the kodi interface. As you can see the big words up here. But first, let me describe what this message is that's scrolling across the bottom of the screen. The first part, as you can see, for those who already have it, we can add cable channels to your kodi bill under the paid TV options. You got the cable and the TV guide. And that's just for paid customers who wants to see live TV. Everything else is absolutely free. All these big words are the categories. And what this message tells you to do is whenever I put a new build out, either by fixing problems or adding new stuff to it, it tells you to go here to click under this big word system and click on blacktop update. And then what you'll do then is basically click on the blacktop kodi build, which would be my picture, and it'll automatically start downloading the newest build. This has it already, so we're going to cancel this and show you how to use the blacktop kodi. Now you have miscellaneous. Here you can go into various options. You can do a speed test to see how fast your internet is. It'll go out, ping, and send a speed results back telling you how fast you're downloading, and it'll do another test and it'll show up here showing you how fast you upload as well. Then you have where you can update your add-ons. You got cleanup. What the cleanup does, sometimes after you've been using kodi for a while, you'll initiate a cleanup and you keep it running smooth. And you got movies. Under here you got about 21 options of watching movies, different ones, and they all pretty much do the same thing as far as options. You go inside, you click on one, and then you go into movies or TV shows, and click and look at the list. Keep in mind we are in January 2018 now, so this is why you see the list showing like that. It'll scan through all the movies that came out so far, wherever they are located on the internet. And as you can see, you have a list. And you can pretty much click on any one of these. You can just do a direct click, or with your remote control, you click OK. Or with your remote control, you can click on the menu button, which is like a button with three lines on it. For those of you who have a TV box or a Fire Stick, and with a keyboard on the computer, you can click the letter C. And if you do that by clicking the menu button, you can click play all, and it'll go through the whole list and just automatically play it for you. Or you can just click OK and let it give you your choice of how you want to click. It'll go through the list, pull up all of them that has it available, and then automatically. Now, see these tools down here at the bottom? You're going to hit the back button on the remote control or the escape button on the keyboard. Make this disappear. Now, on the arrows on your remote control, press the up arrow. It makes it jump 10 minutes ahead. Right arrow, jump 10 seconds. It's going to take you 10 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, 5 minutes. It's a quick way to fast forward. As you notice right here, the speed jumps. Click it again, it's 20 minutes. Or if, like I said, if you click with the right arrow, it's 10 seconds. Double click 30 seconds, 3 minutes like that. And if you click the X on the computer, on the keyboard, the X will automatically cut the video off. In this case, without a keyboard, you just click on the stop symbol to stop it. And that's pretty much any movie that you're watching. And you hit the back button to go back one screen at a time, or the home button and take you all the way out the program, but we don't want to leave the program, so we just go back one screen at a time. But yes, all of these does the same thing, and I have one on here that's particularly urban videos. A lot of stuff you'll find in here that's particularly urban, with a lot of black folks like, and a new one that I've just added for the newest releases, the newest of the newest, before anyone else have it. You can go in here and you can click on some of the newest things that I guarantee you no one else will have it as fast as it'll be here. Only on a blacktop build will you get the new stuff this quick. Click on a direct link to the blacktop files. It can go right into it.
I need to get back.
Just showing you a little bit to keep the video short. And same for the commuter. These are direct link to the blacktop files. Let me fast forward.
Ron, thanks for playing.
A little further.
Because there would be a reward.
And there you have it. Just a quick walkthrough showing you how to use the blacktop kodi build. And it's the same for all. You do not click on the big words, only on the little words.
Act now to help keep your... Who does he think he is? No!
This program contains subject matter and language that may...
Peter Rabbit.